Well, good morning and welcome to part 2 of the journey over to Chicago Marathon. So we're just woken up here at the foot of Mount Fuji at a hotel. We're going to head back to the airport, which is about an hour and a half, 2-hour drive from here, and see if we get on any flights. So of course, flying standby, so we get what we get. Right, so the flight's full. I'm put on the standby wait list. I'm going to know in about 2 hours if I get on or not. If I don't, it's 7 or 8 hours until the next flight. Maybe. Let's try this one first. Hopefully this next update I'll have a ticket in hand. Alright, I've got a seat. Let's get on the aircraft. Quick, we've only got like 10 minutes to board. Well, g'day. We're now in our Volkswagen Jetta or something here in Chicago. So we're now, because I'm actually feeling pretty awake, I'm feeling pretty good. Still got 5 hours till I can check into my hotel. So what I'm going to do is, it's only about an hour's drive into the city where the expo is actually happening for the Chicago Marathon. It starts today. So I may as well just go there at the start while I've got the energy, get my bib, collect all that kind of stuff, and then I can just relax the rest of the afternoon. But for now, let's head to the city. Now I've got my bibs for the 5K and for the marathon. Let's head on to the expo. Let's check it out. Oh, Navini. Well, in my jet lag state, I hated every moment of that. There were so many people there, there was so much going on, and my jet lag's getting to me, and I'm just so irritable. So I was just not in a mood for any of it. I was there to go collect my bib, collect the shirt, and I was looking for a new pair of sunnies because the current ones I have are all scratched up. And I managed to get those things. I looked at the official merchandise. I'm not paying $100 for a jacket. I'm not paying like $80 US for a t-shirt. I'm good. I got the free t-shirt. Not free, came with the registration, and that's good for me. Oh, g'day! Welcome to the next part of this adventure. We're going to go to a few shops today. I have nowhere to be, so just nice and leisurely, resting the legs and stuff. So, yeah, come with me and I'll show you a few shots of what we did today. Let's go. Alright, we came in here because I was trying to find my daughter a mini version of these Stanleys, but don't have them. This is the second store I've been to. Oh well, on to the next spot. New hat. We're going to try crumble. Caramel apple. Yes, I know I'm not meant to have carbs and sugar before the race, but I thought I could allow myself one cookie. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I see the appeal. Dick, anyone? Alright, nothing in there for me. I got a hot dog and drink from Nana's. Famous hot dogs here in, well, apparently the best hot dogs in suburban Chicago. So that's going to be my protein for my lunch. A little bit of carbs on there, but let's see how it tastes. It's mostly chips. Okay. Alright, there's a dog. Give it a go. Good pop. I also got, here's your first look, beef. We've got hot peppers, mozzarella cheese. Look at that, melted it. Right. Ooh. Oh, just greased. Shit. I just got a little taste of that grease. Yeah, they put hot peppers on there. Woo! Tink. So good. So I'm going to finish this sandwich now, and your next shot is going to be at the 5K. Let's do it. Yeah, look, I'm definitely early for this 5K. That's the start line down there for the marathon tomorrow morning. And I'm probably starting a mile down that way. Anyway, that's tomorrow. Let's focus on today with the Abbott 5K here in Chicago. So once the corral fills up, we'll get started.
Abbott Chicago 5K.
So proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming end of the free. And the hope of the
One minute to go.
I feel like cattle.
Oh yeah, we're out
Let's do it.
We saved the best for last. Let's go. 10, 9, with 10.
5K, let's do it! One mile. Oh, that is in case. 1.67. I can feel my bubble bubbling. Okay to go. I know tomorrow that thing will be following me the whole race. That's alright, I've accepted my fate already. I'll be towards the end.
Runners, good job. Keep it going, guys. Looking good, looking good.
I'll cross that line. Anyway, 250 meters to go to the end.
Cesar Fernando. Fernando is also crossing the finish line. Jenda, Raphael, Mark, Edward, Vita, John, Leanne, Marlena, Alicia.
Warm up run done. Participation medal. Yeah. A couple of freebies and a donut. Way through this crowd now. Alright, heading to the train station now. We'll call this the end of the Chicago 5K, and we'll see you all in the morning for the next part of this marathon journey. Yeah, thanks for watching, and catch you at the marathon. Bye.